Expand your knowledge with our Honeywell Silent Knight Academy. Skyrocket your education with the FED Learning Center by registering for our Honeywell Silent Knight Academy. Plus, earn CEUs while you learn. The FED Learning Center is an approved provider of CEUs and NICET approved for professional development hours. Check with FEDLC to learn if we're approved in your state. Our Honeywell Silent Knight OEM training certification is designed for technicians who install and maintain Silent Knight addressable fire alarm control panels, ACPs. Here's what you'll learn: how to properly maintain fire alarm system installations, SLC devices, and emergency voice systems, EVS. There's also programming and troubleshooting using the Honeywell Fire Software Suite, HFSS, and you'll be using Silent Knight addressable fire alarm control panels, FACPs, including the following models: 6700, 6808, 6820, and 6820 EVS. You can learn all of this at one of our 5 campuses. Empowering techs with our hands-on training. Register now at fedlearningcenter.com.